And then here's Bardaki singing Chicken Attack, which I was told by the Master Gamey that we don't need to play that right now. I was told we don't need to play that right now. But there's a little pond water. A little critter swimming on around in here. Put our music back on. I thought actually NMD, it might be fun to post some clip or watch some clips on Saturday for the 1 year affiliate so you can see how crazy of upgrades we got. Hi, Amber! Amber Dark, thank you for the host, and hello again, Amber. I hope you're doing all right. We're looking at some pond water. You can see some water beetles underneath here. They're playing with their lives. These are carnivorous plants that they're hanging out around. You can actually see the little antenna wiggling right there, which I think is kind of cute. Doing all right, Amber. How are you, Amber? How are you, Amber? More importantly. We also have some nematodes in there that are hanging out, swimming along on the plant. Even these little things. There's like a little creature here nibbling on away. NMD wanted to see... Oh, there we go. There's the nematode. Zipping on along. I think it's amazing they can go like that. Excited for the concert? What kind of concert, NMD? What are you seeing? Who are you seeing? I hope it's someone good. I hope it's someone good. So here's another example of one of the pods. This one also looks like it's on the fuller side. So you can see because it has this little discoloration in there. And that's how we know there's someone already that's been caught by this plant. And actually, eventually it'll darken and shrivel because it's already like utilized all of its energy. Oh, The Weeknd fella. I know The Weeknd. Everyone goes, oh, myself, ooh, I'm burning in the light. Yeah. I gotcha. The Weeknd is very zesty. That'll be very fun, Amber. I may be a little bit of a funny duddy, but I do know The Weeknd. I don't listen to The Weeknd, but I know of them. I also look forward to The Weeknd. See, there's another one, a pod that's still full. So, a couple of different pods we're looking at. We see all of them are full. NMD, one time, we did see, you can actually see wiggling inside the pods. That was like a recently caught insect that hadn't been broken down yet. And we actually opened up the pod and released the little beetle, which was kind of cool. We're going to see Elton John next Wednesday. Very nice, Amber. Very nice. I haven't been to a concert in like 3 years now. Concert would be cool. Concert would be very cool. But we got to see Godsmack last concert. And that was always a good show. Favorite band of all time. Alrighty. Vorticella, what is that, Cliff? Is that also some flavor of show, I take it? Oh, no, you meant the creatures. Oh. We can go back, Cliff. Should I go back, Cliff? They kill the plant. What are you talking about, Master Hugan? Who killed the plant? Oh, I gotcha. Cliff, there were some in the very first well that we looked at. I'll pull it right back. I thought I saw a planarian. Oh, I'm sorry, NMD. You know how much we like the ferrets. Favorite rock band is Bullet for My Valentine. Very nice. Here's actually a little planarian zipping on along. Oh, I'm sorry. I do a bad job, Claire. Here we go. Claire found it. Claire is amazing. Let me pause the music. Oh, there's the planarian zipping around.
Don't sleep. Their voices tend to change.
This one is my favorite. This one's absolutely my favorite.
Don't sleep. Their voices tend to change. The unofficial soup! You are one of the most wholesomest people that this ferret has never met IRL. But even so, we know that you have kind heart and lots of love. Yes, this is true. Don't sleep. Their voices tend to change.
That's my favorite one. Oh, I think I have that favorited on my phone too. That makes me chuckle so much. Because their voices start to change. And then, artificial soup. Oh, yes. I'm excited to have hopefully Lita come back. Hi, V! Yes, V? How's it going, V? Yeah, so V, the ferret talked about how you want hordes of followers, that you're addicted to offline hype trains, that you want 1/7 of the planet to follow you by the end of the calendar year. It was a whole thing, V. It was a whole thing. We're actually, V, we're looking under the microscope now. We're looking under the microscope, Master V. There's a little planarian swimming around here. It's a very, very beautiful little animal. These are the animals, chat, that you can actually chop in half and they'll regenerate their whole bodies. Like, if you cut them in half, they'll make a new brain, they'll make a new butt, they'll do everything. Actually, you can chop them up into a bunch of different pieces, and each one of those pieces, as long as they have stem cells, will regenerate into a new animal, which is quite remarkable. They are pretty zippy. Depending on the species and how full they are, depends on how zippy they are. They can make a new butt, but what I think is even cooler is they can form a brand new brain. And that brand new brain can actually have memories of the old body. That's where it gets like really, really gnarly and crazy time to me. Like, how does that work? We actually have no idea. The phenomena isn't even really understood. It's suspected then that memory is formed in some kind of molecule, not just through neural connections, which I think is pretty crazy cool. See, we also have some Daphnia in here. Some rotifers. Oh, there's our planarian coming on in. Zipping in for a visit. We'll take a picture. There we go. We got a picture of him. He's very, very pretty. Very, very handsome little creature. And I know, Claire, it's another clip that I haven't added, but some flavor of enhance, right? So, of these NMD, what do they do? It's the best way of explaining this. Okay. We need to art.